don't you do that, bro? Get him. Attack him. Attack him.
Come on, just. You guys ever take your dog for a walk? No.
Yeah, dude.
Come on, Juice. Let's hit the stairs.
What's going on, everybody? I haven't really showed anybody, but I got some drift wheels for the CTS-V. So I got me some spray paint. We're gonna spray paint them a crazy color. You'll see when we get outside. But let's go do that. We got Crazy Chris here. We got Young Juice, you know what I'm saying? And then it should be fun. All right, so since we're gonna be crazy, we're gonna do like this shiny ass gold on the wheels. So we're gonna clean the wheels off first, and then get this. So we gotta pop these center caps out. Quick little finger pop, and then now we're just gonna. Oh man, we're gonna paint these Jimmy Jams. So I might spray them one more time with the alcohol, and then we're gonna get to painting.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever.
Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so sick. Throw back to the Accord days. Oh damn, we should have scuffed them up. Oh well. Dude, these are gonna look so bad. Like I say, guys, I don't care if these are perfect or not, because they're just gonna be the shitty old drift wheels. So they might get curbed. That's crazy. You can see from the heat, it's so hot out here.
It's about 94 degrees
Celsius.
It's looking so sick, dude.
You think I'll get all the girls with these wheels?
Yeah, dude. Girls love gold things. Do you think you could paint me gold?
Yeah, dude.
Don't look that bad.
Not really. All right, we're gonna see how Crazy Chris does. Shake the can up just a tiny bit, and then we're gonna give him a go with the black wheels, because you know, once you go black.
Painting anything, I just want it to seem cool for Anthony.
Dude, they're so gold. Dude, you're absolutely killing it. That rim job. These actually are coming out pretty good. I mean, for $2, not bad for a $2 paint job. Oh, dude, these are gonna be so sick, man. Like, I just can't wait till I get these on. I might actually see if I can get these tires mounted today, because if we can do that, then I'm gonna go probably do a couple drifts. But for now, we're just going to keep on painting these and keep you guys updated. Alright, so the wheels are done drying. They look pretty good to me. Like I said, they're drift wheels, so I'm not worried about them, you know? But I'm gonna put these away. We're gonna get the tires mounted another day and then go send these wheels. But right now we're about to go link up with Steven. We're gonna go check out he's gonna go do some drifting. So we're gonna go check that out. I'm gonna put all this stuff away, and yeah, dude. Alright guys, look at this guy. Always in all the videos now, so. Nah, but we're here. I went and got like gas and shit, but it's gonna do a donny. Hit the speed bump, bro. Wow, that was pretty effing sick, dude. Yo, I'm gonna zoom in on her face. That shit was dumb funny. Yo. So I told her, I was like, turn the left. Damn, that was a perfect. Dude, you're a crazy guy. This guy is crazy. Here you go, bro. You're about to get banged, bro. You're about to get banged. So this guy stole my furry blanket, guys. Like, The F is going on, dude.
See if that'll put you far enough forward.
Probably.
I mean, you were touching the pedal.
All right, just don't crash, cause like if you do, then like you're gonna die. Oh shit! Hold up. Got it. On like the good idea scale, 1 from 10, what do you think this is?
Nobody's driving my fucking car.
Fuck yeah. Dude, I'm stepping back, bro. Hey, it wasn't too bad. Like, I've seen worse.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Not bad.
That wasn't bad.
Hell yeah.
Like, oh my god, my rocker arm. My rocker.
That's what I was saying, yo. Her face though was too. She's like, ah, I'm doing it. That was so cool. All right. Well, since he did all that craziness, now he's gonna actually send it on his drifts. So we're gonna go check him out. Not literally, because that's gay, but
Only race cars have race car switches.
damn.
Slick from the gas on the floor till the bitch steady go ahead and break it down low. Cars fast moving like they on speed dial, and I tell you that I wanna take your clothes off slow. That bitch look articulated. Said you going fast but you never made it. Said move that ass down low. Let me see shit never show. Damn nigga, I walk fast like your last. Like to see you moving fast. Take a break up on the grass. Can't take that shit, don't make it last. Come along with a song, take you to a place I help you nigga can't. Don't stop, don't talk, no shit to say. If you be thinking this the end, you better change that mind again. Fuck nigga for a day, fucking his bitch and he watch far away. Playing the
Drift caddy coming soon. We're gonna take the dubs. All right, so this guy just set up a cone. You said first try, right?
$1, bro.
First try.
You gonna bet $1 you gonna put that cone in first try. All right.
Comment down below right now if you guys think he's gonna get it in the first try. I think Quan's gonna lose $1. So hey. Damn. Where's the money? Where's the money?
He owes me $1. He wasn't supposed to knock it over.
Alright, so we're gonna take it for a ride. He said he's gonna try to scare me, but you know, I'm never scared of anything. So let's send it. Like, this is my seatbelt.
Don't think about it too much, too much, too much, too much. There's no need for us to rush it through.
What the fuck is that? Ah, my eye. Where'd my hat go? Oh, here it is. I lost my hat. Oh, sawdust!
Jesus Christ.
Hey man, we effed up.
My car stalled. My car stalled, oh my god! Oh,
Damn.
what? I told you that was gonna be fast.
Ah, my face.
Are you okay? That didn't hit you, right? That didn't hit you, right? That didn't hit you, right? Oh my god.
Bro.
Oh my god. The car stalled or I would have pulled it off. It shut off. I'm doing it again, but fuck.
Damn.
Do it again.
Oh shit. Yeah, dude, you had a little bit of that.
Dude, that was scary fast. Let's do it again.
I'm still gonna send it.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm home.
You just got an eye.
Oh my god.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping. Oh my God, my whole life, my words been my greatest weapon. I know I